Hello friends, so today's video we are going to explain how to create CNC Jali. Okay, so it's visible here CNC Jali which I created here. So I'm going to tell you how to create this. So first if you need any Jali, so you have to go to the Google, you have to find here CNC Jali. So I already, when you will go and find image, there is no internet connection, so I'm just saying you I already downloaded this Jali here, this one. Okay, so you can download like this, whatever pattern you know you can download. Okay, so after the download, directly you will go to the Photoshop. Okay, so here already created. I'm just like similar how to create. So double click here, you can double click here, or you can take open also and take this Jali from here. Okay, now what you can do here, alt, and when you will do scroll, then this will become a zoom. Now I'm selecting this part, the white part. Okay, after the selection of this part, before to the selection, what you can do, control D and select. What you can do, go to the crop. Okay, and crop this up to here. Okay, after the crop, you can take it. After that, now go to the magic toolbar, select this one, go to the similar. Okay, so whole white part here selected. Okay, now if you want you can do again similar. Okay, now select inverse, so the whole inverse part will be selected here. After that, after this selection, now what you can do, choose your path. Okay, it was layer as a channel, now I'm choosing path. Okay, after choosing the path, go to here. Okay, and click on this tool. Okay, so now when you will click on this tool, make it like this. Select this path and choose this. So you will see here the path will create in Photoshop. After to click on this tool. Okay, so now what you're going to do, go to file, after export, and go to here path to Illustrator and save this file where you want. Okay, now I already saved this one, so I have here. Okay, when you want you can save. Okay, for you I'm just saving again, I'm saving with the click. Okay, so now you have now that file. Go to the 3ds Max. Okay, and here I'm taking this CNC Jali. Okay, so go to your file, import, merge these three, open. Okay, take finger and shape. Now this Jali is here, but it's very small. Okay, so now what you can do, increase the scale of this Jali, so it will be visible perfectly. Okay, this one we taken from there. So now after that, to create it we need to make it extrude. Okay, select it, go to the move command, select all Jali, go here and take extrude command. Okay, so now when you have taken extrude command, 0.1 extrude I have given you, already I have given 0.1 extrude. So now you can use this Jali where you want. I already used here this one, so to customize. Okay, so like this you can use this Jali like any scene whatever it is going to create. Okay, so for today's video is, I hope you understand how to create Jali. Okay, if you have any queries or any question you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, bye.